Hi everyone. Now we are going to see the continuation of stress. Like first we have seen in previous video about what is stress and the understanding stress. So to after understanding stress, we move to the causes and types of stress. Come on, let's see. First, we are going to see the causes of stress. What are all the causes which make us to be stress? You may experience stress if you are feel under lots of pressure. If you feel under lots of pressure, give making yourself or getting mental pressure. Face big changes in your life. Okay, facing big changes in our life or worried about something which is annoyed and don't have much or control over the outcome of an situation, having responsibility that you find overwhelmed, and do not have enough work, activities, or changes in your life, experience discrimination, hate, or abuse, also a big cause for stress, and are going through a period of uncertainty. These are all the causes of stress. So now we are going to move on the important thing, types of stress. So this types of stress, we have two types of stress. One is chronic stress, the other one is acute stress. Chronic stress is like you will be undergo the stress process for period of time. It takes 2 weeks to months, even to 6 to 8 months, like that. Whereas acute stress, just it comes and go. It may you may feel stress for a week or for a few days, etc. So chronic stress leads to long time, whereas acute stress, it will undergone by like few days, or even for some people it may be like for few hours. So first we are going to see about what is chronic stress. So stress is a biological response to demanding situations. It causes stressors the body to release hormones such as cortisol and adrenal. These hormones help prepare the body to take action, for example, by increasing the heart and breathe rates. When it occurs, a doctor might describe a person as a has been in the state of high alertness or arousal. So, like say for example, you may experience palpitation, high level of heartbeat, etc. That is all the symptoms for stress. So, many factors can trigger a stress response. There are many internal as well as external factors which trigger us to undergo stress in chronic level. So that includes dangerous situation and psychological pressure such as work deadline, exams, and sporting events. Next is acute stress. This acute stress meets only for few hours or few days, even within a week. So this is for short term period. Acute stress disorder, that is ASD, typically occurs within month or within a week of a traumatic event. So the symptoms are similar to those who seen in post traumatic stress disorder, that is PTSD. However, this disorder is temporarily lasting from a few months or few days to month. Some people with this disorder can go on to develop PTSD. Some people with the uh, p- acute stress disorder may meet PTSD also. So in this, we have two responses which make us or undergoes in the acute stress period, that is flight or fight response. One, this describes like you can fight against that or else you can escape from that particular situation is what flight or fight response. In the response to acute stress, the body's sympathetical nervous system is activated by sudden release of hormones. So, fight or flight response hormone includes the hormonal imbalance even in the brain. These hormones can cause sympathetic nervous system to stimulate the pituitary gland and adrenal gland. This triggers the release of catecholamines, including adrenal and non-adrenal or cortisol hormones. So this chain of reaction result in increased heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing rate. Your body may stay flight or flight for 20 to 60 minutes after the threat is gone, which is how long it takes for the parasympathetic nervous system to return it to pre-arousal level. The sympathetic nervous system provides fight and flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system helps to calm the body once the threat is gone. Thank you.